Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. I also do what I eat videos while on vacation or at home. I do grocery hauls and even meal prep. So for more of that, please subscribe. Today's video is about the November step challenge I joined this month to get more cardio and also get outside more.
It's like a power pose. What's going on here? Hey, bro, we're in winter clothes. Bro, double layered, long sleeves, jacket, big jacket, sweater, hot, no gloves. They're freezing. It's a mistake. Soon I'm going to be putting on my hood because literally my ears are cold, mate.
I will say that in preparation for this step challenge, my goal for October was to get 8,000 steps a day. I only hit that about half of the time and I could have made more of an effort, but what I will say is starting the step challenge this time around definitely felt much easier than last time. Before my first ever step challenge, my average was around 5K a day, and since then I've made more of an effort to get steps so my body doesn't feel strained trying to strive for 10,000 a day. If you guys are interested in joining the next step challenge, definitely check out Derek's journey on YouTube. He's the one who hosts the challenges. They do a live team picking. I'm on Team Yellow again this time, which is super exciting. It's open to everybody, you guys. Definitely check it out.
I pulled out my ear cover. I don't know, I guess I'm really sensitive to the cold. I get cold really easily, like outside of weather-wise. Like if I'm going to a restaurant or even in the summer, like inside places is always cold because I have the AC blasting for me. So I just like to be aware of that, especially if I'm going outside and being more intentional about getting walks. What I'm discovering is it's like 10 times more effort for me to like get outside and like plan walks when it's cold like this. And a huge thing, like it's not summer anymore. So a huge thing for me now is gonna be making sure I'm getting out during the day, because even in the evenings, it's like not insufferably cold, but it's noticeably way colder, which makes more sense. That's just how it goes. So in the evening, in the summer, it would still be hours of daylight left versus now where it's like gets dark early. So it's definitely taking more conscious effort to get outside, and I could totally drive to the gym, but I feel like this works better for me.
It's a really easy, simple process. You just send in your steps via email every single week. He adds them up and then he posts a video just showing who's in the lead and how many steps each team has, you guys. It's actually really incredible to see how many steps we all get together. And it's not really a full competition. It's just more of an environment where we're encouraging each other to get steps and to move our body.
Good morning, you guys. The weather has been so nice lately. I didn't hit 10K yesterday, but that's all right. I had so much editing to do for a vlog that you guys will have already seen by now, but I still decided to get out here today. Yeah, it's in the 60s, which is actually really warm because it's been like in the 30s, which is really cold. So I'm excited to get out for a walk today and hopefully hit 10K. It's my rest day from the gym. This is probably the best I felt in like at least a week or two, so I'm really excited to get my steps in. When I walk, I always try to look down because literally the other day, the last walk me and my sister went on, I saw a snake. I literally was like 6 inches, half a foot from stepping on it. It was a small snake, so I just want to be super hyper vigilant. Always keep your eyes peeled, people. Walk safely. After my walk, I'm sitting at 5,900, which is really, it's only 10:36. So far the challenge has been going pretty good, especially just considering how I've actually been feeling. Not even like my knees or anything like that, just like health-wise, I've been feeling so tired and run down and just really adjusting to the temperature change and the season change. November is the last month of fall, so we're really rolling into winter here, and I can feel that in my body. And with all that going on, me still going to the gym regularly and getting my workouts in and getting steps in, I'm just so proud of myself for sticking to it, because it's difficult. Like, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys, it's difficult, especially because it's colder. Like, I don't want to get outside. Like most people are probably feeling this right now. If you are in the US or even Canada, that's one of the reasons I also really wanted to see if I could do this challenge in November, to see like how it fit into my schedule. What does that look like in November? Because if I was not on this challenge, you guys, I would not be outside walking nearly as much. And while it is cold, I'm proud of myself for getting outside, and I'm actually really enjoying it outside even if it is cold. I've been hitting the goal more often than not, which I'm just so proud of myself for doing that. Thank you guys for watching. What is up, you guys? We're back for another day of the challenge. I ended up taking today off from the gym because of my hair. You guys, I'll pop up a picture. I blew out my hair yesterday because I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow and I won't want my hair to frizz up from the sweat. So I will likely go to the gym after my hair appointment tomorrow because I'm getting my hair braided, which I'm super excited for. But it's actually about 1 right now. I'm behind on my steps because I've been running around this morning, but it's all good because I'm out here now. I'm in a short sleeve shirt. Got a sweatshirt though, just in case. So also want to say how much I absolutely love this thingy. Even if I don't put water in it, I can carry my phone in it, my camera, my AirPods case. It can be hands-free and still get my walks in. So let's see how we go. Lots of bikers. It's actually a beautiful day.
From these walks, I've seen the most beautiful leaves, you guys. Since I don't typically get out this time of year as much as I would like to, I've been able to see such beautiful color combinations in the leaves, and it's honestly been just making these walks that much more enjoyable.
There's that great blue heron. God, this is so stunning.
When it comes to any kind of exercise, whether it's steps or weight training, for me it's more of the mental than the physical. So once I get past that mental barrier and remind myself that I'm capable and that I'm grateful to have such a strong body, and that, you know, being cold for maybe half an hour isn't going to kill me. Once I get past all that, it's really easy for me after I take that first step and get moving to keep going. And now that I have bundled up for a couple of walks, it's definitely something I plan to continue doing.
Getting my steps anyway, you guys. I was at like 6,800. It's about 4 p.m. or so, so the sun will probably be down for the next hour, so I wanted to come out and get my steps in. But also, what I was mentioning to my sister, I always forget, November is like the last month of fall, so we're really rolling into the winter weather, and I always want to bundle up because, like, I mean, I know there's COVID, but there's still colds, there's still flus, these things still exist, so I always just want to be very cautious of that to prevent any like illnesses like that from happening as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your time today. I have a lot of new things happening in my life. I got a new job and that's been really exciting. So I'll be doing some what I eat at work videos to share with you guys. So be sure to give me a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative for. Subscribe, come back for more inspiration. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.